Hey everyone, Alex here. Today we're launching two new features in Dragoneye that make video analysis a lot more powerful and easy to use. The first one is attribute detection. So before today, we provided zero-shot models to detect object categories in video. So whether that's people, dogs, cars, laptops, basketballs, whatever you care about. But most of the time, it's not enough to just be like, hey, there's a dog or there's a car. What we really need in a lot of these analyses is the details, right? So what breed is the dog? What color is the fur? Is it wearing a leash? What make is the car? What body style? Is that person wearing a hard hat, a safety vest, or boots, right? That's what the new attribute detection capability unlocks, right? So it allows you to not just know what's in the video, but also get really rich information about each of the objects in the video. The second feature is AI model builder. So as soon as you start adding attributes, and this is something we experienced as we were dog fooding the product, models can get big real fast. So you get hundreds of categories, thousands of attribute options to select from, and it becomes a lot of work to build the model definition. The AI model builder makes it a lot easier. So instead of manually, inputting all the categories and attributes, you can just chat with the model builder and tell it what you want to detect. So whether it's I want to detect vehicles or I want dog breeds for every dog, it will basically take that high-level request and process that into a model definition for you. You can still go in and manually edit things and get things tuned to exactly how you want it, but now you have a much faster starting point for deploying the model and just experimenting in general. In this video, I'll show you what both features look like in practice and how you can get started today. So let's get into it. What you'll do is you'll come in to our playground here at playground.dragoneye.ai. You can head into the playground and we can pick a video to start with. I have this AI generated, I will caveat, AI generated dog park video. It's just a lot easier than finding an unlicensed one these days. And you'll go into basically the AI model builder experience here. And what you'll say is basically what you want to detect. So let's say we want to know the dog, we want to find dogs and then understand the breed. So you'll be like, I want to detect dogs and their breed in my video. Okay. So it's come back, it's added the dog category, which you can see over here, and it's also suggested a breed attribute where they've already listed a bunch of common breeds. These look all great to me, so we'll go ahead and say yes to that. And you can see over here, it's added this breed attribute over here for us. Okay, let's say we wanted to do something else. I also want to know the color of the fur. The fur of the dogs. Yeah. Okay, great. It has a bunch of different fur colors. This looks good to me. So let's go ahead and say good. Oh, it's called a coat color. Great. Okay, once that, I'm pretty happy with the model definition over here. I can go ahead and hit save. And we'll call this dog park videos. And there we go. So right away, the model builder has built out our model and it's ready to be used. And we can see the predictions we have on the video here. I'll pause it real quick. You'll see, it's detected a dog and its breed, a golden retriever, and its coat color is gold. Over here, the dog and then breed is German Shepherd. Not getting the coat color out here, so we might need to look into that. And then over here, dog and the breed is a Border Collie and it's bicolored. So pretty straightforward, less than a minute or two and we already have a pretty functional dog model. Let's say we wanted to edit it to add, detection of these plastic balls that they're playing with and also the people that are walking around. So we can go ahead and do that. We just head back into the AI model builder here. It'll ask us what to change, and we also want to detect people, the plastic balls in the videos, and also the color of the balls. Okay. Okay, it's come back and it says, I've added the person in the plastic ball categories, fantastic. And then they'll add the ball color attribute. They put together a list of colors. Looks a bit short. Can I get more colors in there? Think it's missing some more, colorful descriptions of ball colors, to be honest. Okay, let's add a couple more. And if I had any strong opinions, I could probably tell it, I want some other particular color, but looks good to me. We'll go ahead get that sent off. And as you can see here on the right-hand side, they've added the plastic ball, they've added the people and the ball colors. Okay, we're ready to save. And again, the model will go ahead and save over here. We'll wait for the model to generate. All right, so the model is generated in about 10-20 seconds. I cut that out for your enjoyment. And we're back. So as you can see now, we can see basically the balls are being picked out here. And you can see, okay, we have a navy ball. I'd say probably blue, but navy's fine, I guess, given the lighting. A yellow ball here, and then a red ball over here. And you can see we're also picking out the people over here. Awesome. And if you wanted to, you could then continue to make this model more complicated by adding different attributes of the people, right? So like, are they wearing chinos or jeans or, sneakers or wearing a watch or something like that, if that's something that you care to analyze in your videos. Okay, I wanted to show you just quickly another video just to give you a different sense of other scenes that could be interesting for analysis. So here's another video here that I wanted to show you guys. This is from a traffic scene in Hong Kong. And I'll show you a vehicle model that we have built over here. So the categories it's picking out: a train, truck, car, van, and minivan, and then a bunch of things such as a car make, the car color, and the license plate region where it's from. And as you can see here, it's already picking out a lot of these vehicles. We can look here, and it's showing, it's picking out this is a car, that it's black, it's a Mercedes, and the license plate region is from Hong Kong, right? And we'll look at another one. And what I found really surprising is how good often it is at cars makes, even though they're partially, the logo is completely obscured, but the silhouette apparently is just so distinctive that the model can pick it out. So here we see a Porsche, and it's picking out very well. Okay. So that's all I really wanted to show you today. We're really excited to see what folks are building with the new attribute detection feature. There's still some limitations to the model, and we've highlighted some of them in the associated blog post, but we're really excited for what folks can build from what we have already. And we're going to keep improving the model to make it better and better. All right, that's it for this time. Thanks.